Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? The purpose of our life is to be happy. Our life is never made unbearable by circumstances, but only by lack of meaning and purpose. So, children, embrace the obstacles in your life to build the resilience required to live a purpose-driven life. Let's begin the new chapter, the body machine. Children, our body is like a complex machine. There are different organs in our body, and all these different organs work in coordination with each other.
It's dazzlingly unique. There's no invention anywhere like my living, breathing physique.
Babies are born with 300 bones, but many of them fuse together, and therefore an adult has 200 bones. This is because the babies have a firm tissue softer than bone in their body. As the child grows, some of them turns bone and some of them fuse together. This is the picture of brain. The brain is the only body part that doesn't feel pain. It is one of the largest and most complex organs in the human body. The tooth enamel is the hardest substance in the human body. So children, which is the hardest substance in the human body? It is the tooth enamel. Here you can see the picture of blood vessels in human body. The blood vessels, they flow blood throughout the body. Strung together end to end, the blood vessels in our body could circle the earth 2.5 times. These blood vessels transport blood cells, nutrients, and oxygen to the tissues of the body. The heart beats about 1 lakh times a day. Your heart is sort of like a pump or 2 pumps in one. The human body sheds up to 40,000 skin cells every minute. How many skin cells, children? 40,000. The eyes can discern up to 10 million colors. Discern means to recognize or find out. Children, do you feel pain when you cut your hair? No, isn't it? Why do you know, children? It's because the hair that grows out of the skin is made up of dead cells. That is why we do not feel pain when we cut our hair. You know, fingerprints are unique to each person, isn't it, children? Like that, our tongue prints too are unique to each person. The tongue is a unique organ in that it can be stuck out of mouth for inspection. It is well protected in the mouth and it is very difficult to fork. Now all of you take your pencils and we can do the exercise now. Match these organs with the organ systems they belong. First one, brain. Brain belongs to nervous system. Second one, kidney. Kidney belongs to which system? Excretory system. That's right. Third one, heart. Heart belongs to which system? Circulatory system. Next, trachea. It belongs to respiratory system. Next one, small intestine. It belongs to digestive system. And the last one, skull. Skull belongs to which system, children? Skeletal system. Has everyone completed the exercise? Okay, very good. Every time we blink, a smooth film of mucus and tears spreads over the eyes, protecting them from germs and dirt. Now we move on to the 4th chapter, enrich your language. The first section, fill in the blanks to complete these phrases which are joined with and. First question, this job is his bread and dash and he cannot leave it. Bread and butter. All of you please write butter. Now second one, I hope the chairman makes a dash and sweet speech. The answer is short and sweet speech. Third one, he is my flesh and dash. How can I neglect him? Flesh and blood Answer is blood. One must look at the matter without any prejudice, fair and dash, and only then can one come to the right decision. So fair and square. Right answer, square. Fifth one. She left home dash and baggage after a quarrel with her parents. Dash and baggage. The answer is bag. Bag and baggage. Now section B. All these phrases have the word beat in them. However, they all mean different things. Complete the sentences with the help of the clues. First question. Whenever Dhaval wants to talk business, he beats dash. In bracket, approaches the subject indirectly. The answer is beat about the bush. Second question. Both Isha and I saw the rare flower at the same time, but I beat dash. In bracket, got there first. The answer is beat her to it. Nitish likes music because I saw him beat dash to the song. In bracket, mark or follow the rhythm by tapping the feet or fingers. The answer is beat time. However much Faisal beat dash, he could not come up with a solution. In bracket, searched for ideas. The answer is beat his brains out. Last one. The sun beat dash all afternoon fiercely. In bracket, radiate intense heat and brightness. The answer is down. Beat down. Hope you have completed the exercise. Now we will move on to the next chapter. Chapter 5. Folk dances. Do you know, children, which dance is this? This Karagattam dance. It is in Tamil Nadu. Underline Karagattam dance, Tamil Nadu. It is performed in praise of the rain goddess Mariamman. The dancers balance a pot decorated with flowers on the head while performing actions such as dancing on a rolling block of wood. The next dance form is Tera Thali. Do you know where is it? It is in Rajasthan. Underline Tera Thali and Rajasthan. In this dance, the performers strike metal cymbals called manjiras in a rhythmic manner while swaying their bodies. Sometimes the women also hold a sword between their teeth while balancing a decorative pot on their heads. This is Dolcholam. It is the dance form of Manipur. This dance form involves singing and dancing with the accompaniment of drums. It is performed during the Holi festival. This dance form is known as Jumair. It is popular in Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal, and among the tea tribes of Assam. It is a community dance performed during the harvest season and festivals. This dance form is known as Matki. It is popular in Madhya Pradesh. During weddings, women perform this dance with earthen pots balanced on the heads. Gov is the harvest dance of Goa, in which the dancers weave intricate braids using colorful strings tied to a central pole. Now it's the quiz time. Before giving this week's quiz questions, let us check the answers of quiz number 2. Did you get everything correct? Very good. Okay, now we will move on to this week's quiz questions. First one. Where was the 6th International Military Technical Forum Army 2020 was held? Options: A. Singapore, B. Russia, C. USA, and D. France. Second question. Taj Mahal is located in which state? Option A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Punjab, C. Maharashtra, D. Gujarat, and E. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 3. When was the World's Coconut Day observed annually? Option A. October 19, B. August 31, C. September 2, D. August 29. The theme of the World Coconut Day 2020 is Invest in Coconut to Save the World. Question number 4. Parambikulam Tiger Reserve is located in which state? Option A Kerala, B Tamil Nadu, C Karnataka, D Andhra Pradesh and E Telangana. Last question. When was the first Teachers' Day celebrated in India? Option A 1944, option B 1965, option C 1982, option D 1962 and option E 1988. Children, you can send the answers in the comment box or get ready with the answers in the next class. Today we studied about body machine, enrich your language and folk dances. Thank you children.